Okay, today's lesson we're going to multiply with decimals using the standard algorithm. And the first thing we want to do is first get our problem 7 38 hundredths times 41. So today we're going to the hundredths place on our multiplication. The first thing we want to do is round off and estimate our answer. 7 38 hundredths rounds off to 7. 41 rounds off to 40, giving us 280 as our estimate. So we're going to be looking for a final answer somewhere around 280. The first thing we want to do to help us understand is to set up a standard area model. So first we're going to take our whole number, put it on the side, and then we are going to treat our decimal in terms of hundredths, and what we get is 738 hundredths. So then we will treat it like a regular area model. 1 times 8 is 8, 1 times 30 is 30, 1 times 700 is 700. 40 times 8 is 320. 40 times 30 is 1,200. And finally, 40 times 700 is 28 thousandths. We're then going to subtotal each row. So we have 738 and then 29,520. 29,520. We want to keep our place values lined up to make it easier to add. We get 8, 5, 7 plus 5 is 12, 9 and 1 is 10, and then 3. So 30,258. Now remember, these are hundredths. And since we're looking for an answer close to 280, we realize that with hundredths, we first multiplied by 100 up here, so we're going to divide by 100 down here. And when we divide 30,258 by 100, we end up with 302 and 58 hundredths. Realize that when we say in unit form hundredths, our last place value should be in the hundredths place, and this 8 is in the hundredths place. Now let's see what that looks like in a standard algorithm. To this time though, unlike last time, we're going to go ahead and keep the decimal in, but we're still going to treat it like we're multiplying a regular number. So we know 1 times is going to give us 738, and then 4 times 8 is 32 tenths, where we're going to regroup the 30 tenths and put down the 2 tenths, and we have 4 tenths times 3 tenths is 12 hundredths, plus 3 hundredths is 15 hundredths. So we're going to regroup the 1,000, put down the 15 hundredths, and finally 4 tenths times 7 hundredths is 28 thousandths, plus 1 is 29,000. Then we'll add those up. 8, 5, 7 and 5, 12, 9 and 1, and 3. And as we can see, our 738 matches, our 29,520 matches, and our total matches. So if we were to use our estimate, we realize that, again, we will have to divide by 100, since this was hundredths, in order to get our final answer of 302 and 58 hundredths.